Do you know why not a single star is visible from space? Why? Does space look so dark? Take a closer look at these images. These are real photos taken from space. Rocket launches, moon landings, even videos from the International Space Station. There's one thing you'll always notice: not a single star. Only deep, endless darkness. But wait, we all know space is filled with billions of stars. So where did they go? Or are we not seeing the full truth? This question gave birth to one of the biggest space conspiracies in history. Some say NASA is hiding something. Others believe these images aren't even real. But what is the truth? Are scientists really lying to us? Or is there a simple scientific reason we've been ignoring? To understand this, we need to know how cameras behave in space and what astronauts actually see with their own eyes. Let's uncover this mystery, step by step. February 7th, 1984. Inside the Challenger space shuttle, 5 astronauts prepared for something never done before. The first untethered spacewalk. Until then, astronauts always stayed connected to their spacecraft. But this time, that rule was about to be broken. Bruce McCandless, wearing a jet-powered backpack, slowly floated into open space. No ropes, no connection, just silence. He said, "For Neil, it may have been a small step, but for me, it's one giant leap." The moment was captured in a photograph, a historic image, but something felt strange. No stars in the background, only darkness. So what's happening here? The answer is surprisingly simple. Every camera uses something called exposure. It controls how much light enters the lens. In space, astronauts and spacecraft are extremely bright because of direct sunlight. But stars, even though massive, are incredibly far away and appear very dim. So the camera faces a choice: expose for bright objects, and stars disappear, or expose for stars, and everything else turns completely white. That's why stars don't appear in most space photos. No conspiracy, just physics. But what about astronauts? Why can't they see stars with their own eyes? Because our eyes work just like cameras. In bright environments, the pupil shrinks. In darkness, it expands. In space, astronauts are surrounded by intense sunlight, so their eyes adjust to brightness, and faint stars simply disappear. But there was one exception. When astronauts stood in shadow and gave their eyes time to adapt, stars slowly began to appear, one by one. In the future, when humans return to the moon, especially its darker regions, they may witness something extraordinary: a sky without pollution, without atmosphere, a universe fully visible, countless stars, nebulae, galaxies. So no, nothing is being hidden. This is simply how light, vision, and cameras work. Now tell me, if you could go to space, what would you look at first? The stars or Earth? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.